Today's session is quite interesting session. Okay, we'll be doing a lot many questions today. Yeah, Pranjali, good morning. Today I'm trying to cover you around 10 to 11 questions. Very good questions. Okay, not a simple questions, but the questions with a proper logic as well. Okay. So I need you to do code with me side by side. Okay. If you have your laptop PC with you, please do it side by side or simply write it in your notebook. No worries. I will wait for just more 2 3 minutes because I have given time of 10:10. That's why. Okay, Shruti has joined the meet. Now who is remaining to join? Any one of your friend is remaining to join, please let him or her know. Okay. Today we will going to also see the question of your ASCII as well. How we deal it with the ASCII values. Okay. But we will start with a switch case statement. Switch case example, a good example using a switch case. And the common example you can see everywhere in it. It has some real-time application of it. Till that time, let me share my screen. So as promised, today our second unit will be covered with lot many examples. At the end, you can count how many examples we covered. Okay. Yeah, fine. So Mayur also joined the meet. So let me go to my folder. Today is our lecture 6. A new folder in that lecture 6. Opening my VS Code. So in lecture 6, we will begin with first question today. That will be the question of your switch case. Okay. So just wait for 1 minute only. 10:15 at exact 10:15 I will start. Okay, Shweta also join the meet. So around there are 10 to 11 students. Good to see all. Okay. Are you ready with your PC, laptop, notebook, whatever you are you ready? Let me know. Confirm it. Hmm. Okay. So let's begin, okay? So yesterday, as mentioned, we covered your point, that was a switch statement, okay? So we covered the switch statement. So but today we are going to see a good example. Yesterday we saw a basic example how the switch cases generally work, how it is working, okay? So today we will going to see a question on it, and that question is write a C program to implement a simple calculator using a switch statement. Remember this point, this is a famous interview question. You will be giving a pen and paper in your hand and they will be telling you, please design a simple calculator using a switch statement. Okay, so what should be your approach, okay, for developing a simple calculator? Whenever question came to you, just think, just in mind, take 5 second time, 10 second times, read a statement properly, okay, and with a good face and good smile, then try to answer the interview, okay? Don't be too serious. It will give a negative impact in front of the interview. Always keep a small and a good looking smile in on your face, okay? So this question basically tests the understand and implementation of a switch statement. Means it checks, did you really know the switch statement, or you are means just telling that I know the C language, okay? So yeah, this was the question. So let me start with the code for you. By side, I will going to explain you how these things are happening. So yeah, I have included my header file, that is standard input output header file. Then writing my main part simply, and that I will be going to return 0. Yeah. So now for designing a calculator, okay? For designing a calculator, what things do we need? Okay, the things we need is an operator. What is your operator? So basically, we need an operator, and that operators are your basically plus, minus, division, then your multiplication, and there are a lot many. But generally, we go with this four as a simple calculator. You can add many more you want. We need a number with whom we can do. Will at least need a two number. Okay, so we are writing a num one and num two. Okay, so as a part is we will be taking a character, that is your operator. Why character? Because in the expression we will be going to pass this character. So by identifying this character, our cases will be going to run. Okay, that's why I'm taking this as a character. So next part will be taking a number. Why here int I am not taking? Anyone can let me know why I am not taking int? What do you think? I can go with the int, but why don't int? Anyone? Any reason? Yes. Why I not taken an int here? The simple and basic reason is that when you are calculating, when you are subtracting, when you are performing multiplication, it is not a good thing. Suppose anyone want to give you a decimal point number, but you are taken int as an your data type, it will be not performing such operation. So that's why I taken a double. Okay. So now input operator as a part, we will going to take an input operator and two numbers. And what I am going to take two numbers. So let me print, making it as something user friendly so user can able to read and understand it properly. I am taking enter an operator. So I need to provide some options for user like this. I can provide some option to user. You can choose anyone from it. Okay. Then I will going to scan it. I'm going to scan it. Okay, I'm going to now scan it. That is a percent. See, those students are doing with me side by side. Please write. And what I'm mentioning, if you don't understand, comment. Write a comment. I'm explaining you side by side. Okay, that's why. So yeah. So here we have done with our scanner. Then let me write a printf. Enter two numbers. Now I will be taking it two numbers. So that two numbers. I will going to also scan it. Here I will be using percent your lf, percent lf, then add percent number and your percent num2. A very simple and easy thing I have written here for you. Not any big deal up to here. I think up to here all points are clear. There is no one having any doubt up to this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So up to here we know what things we need to write, how to take an input, how to work on a printf statement. But now we need to perform now we need to perform calculations. Calculation on what? Calculation based on the operator. So let's see here. Okay. So same thing I will be going to following as yesterday mentioned. Follow the proper syntax. Okay. First I will be going to write a switch. After writing switch, as it is mentioned to pass an operator, so I will be passing an operator in it. Okay, remember, I am passing operator as an expression. Why? The reason is here is my operator. I am taking operator as the input from the user. So the operator can be plus, minus, your multiplication and division. Okay, so this operator will be working as a case in a case. So case, if there is a plus as your operator, that is your character we are taking input. So what will be your result? How will be writing a result? So you will be writing a result as you have taken result already here double. So result equal to num1 plus num2. Up to this point clear? What I have done?
Yes.
Okay. So let's move further now. So now what we are going to do, we will be following same thing again and again for your what? My subtraction as well as your division as well as multiplication. So yeah, look now what I am doing. I'm doing the same thing here again. That is your then here I need to change it here also in result. Then after that last case will be of multiplication. Okay, first take a multiplication as per our we given here in order. So that's why in this way we can go no issues. Order may can change, but following a proper order is a good practice. So this all are my case. But anyone can let me know. I have missed one thing. What the thing I missed here? Anyone?
Break.
Yeah, break. I have not written a break statement. Okay, the break statement. If I have not written a break statement, it will be really output will be giving for all operations it will be performing the same thing. Okay, it will be doing all thing for me, but I don't want such thing to be happen again and again. So I will be using a break. So let me write a break. So let me copy it and paste it in all cases. So yesterday I have taken a question where I have explained you about the concept of the number means divide by 0. So in division, what happens? We deal with an error. That error is basically when we divide a number by a 0. So for a good practice, for a good result, you can write here some one better condition to impress your interviewer, also to impress your, what you can say, your professor as well in your exams. So you can write check for division by 0. Mainly students don't write this, they directly perform, but you can write it because it shows that you have some clear cut idea about it. Okay, so same condition that yesterday we have worked on divisible code. Same I am writing, if num2 not equal to 0, then you what do, you do that result equal to, same thing I writing here that I was written previously here. You can see num2. Now look how it's looking enough properly. Okay, and in else part I will be writing that. Okay, now what you can do, now you can print as error. You are handling the error here. It's a very good practice. Okay, industry people, like, if you handle the error properly, they will appreciate you. Division by 0 is under undefined, sorry, undefined, not undefined, and your full stop and backslash n. So look, I have now here also handled the error itself. Okay, and if you got this error, you can return, here simply 1, and the reason you can write here exit with exit exit sorry exit with exit with an error code. So this will be the error which will be displaying. Okay, so after this we will going to break it. I am going to break it, and now what will be the final case? What is the final case after all cases over? What we write? Yes, and
Default.
yeah, we write a
Default.
default. We write a default. Okay, so in default I will be writing printf error. So which kind of this error will be generally? So the error will be invalid operator. Invalid operator. Anyone enter some any wrong thing, so we'll be dealing with an invalid operator. And you have backslash and return one. Why return one? Exit with the error code. Okay, so that's why I'm returning one, exit with an error. Something error happened. That's why I'm returning with one. Not any big deal in it. So yeah. So this will be the code, and after at the end I have not printed the result here itself. You can see I can print result outside it, like output the result here. For all the common line I will be writing result, and when you are using %lf, that is your long float, as well as we call it double, so you can work on, you need answer in, suppose example, that is your 2 decimal, so you can write in this way. For only 2 decimal, I need answer, not more than that. If there is a long result, it will be providing the whole. But I don't need a whole. I need only a 4% 2 means only 2 decimals. Let me see. I have done with my code, I think. If there is any error, we will see now. So you can see a very simple code I have written. I have made a simple calculator here. So let me run it. So it has run successfully. So it is asking for me operator. I return plus. I return two numbers 5 and 7. So is it answer is correct or not? Is it correct answer? Yes, anyone? I got a correct answer or not? 12.
Yes.
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 And you can see it is working fine. 2 decimals. A good practice. I am following a good practice, standard practice. Okay. So anyone, please give me any operator from your side. Yes, anyone, please.
Division.
Hmm. Number. Any two numbers?
Three and
Three and what?
9.
Is it working correctly?
Yes.
Yeah. So I think our code is working fine. So let me know. Is there any hard in this switch statement? Is there any hard part you don't understand? Let me know. Please let me know what you don't understand. How many of you are done with me side by side? How many of you are done? Oh, someone is provided. Okay, Sarvesh. Very good, Sarvesh. Okay, you can print in this also. No worries, no worries. Okay. Oh, lot many students have done with me. That's a really good practice. Okay. Let me provide a code in comment for you. Okay. I think whole code is not provided. I think there are some limitations. I think that's the okay. No worries. I will be not providing them. Okay. Whole code is not printed. Can you explain written one? Okay, I will be explaining your written. Actually, I have not printed for a written one anything. Let me give an error for you. Okay. So let me perform a division. Length and two numbers 4 0. So error division by 0 is defined. You can see the error I got. Where is that error? Mhm. So yeah, you can see what it's written. Error division by 0 is undefined. Exit with an error code. So the reason I am writing here written one is that the my code should came to know exactly what I am doing here. In simple words, what can you say here? That means return means when our code runs successfully, what we write? Return 0. Do you know this thing? We write a return 0. Do you know this thing? We write a return
Yes.
0. Okay. So for handling error, you can remember in this point that yes, we know that there we are getting an error, so we are returning a return one. That's why I had written in comment that exit with an error code. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay. So these are some questions you should ask me. Okay, not any big deal. So anyone want to work for with any more example? Anyone to give some input to me so we can check for more, or we can continue with the next question.
Next question.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. So it was a good question about asking the return one because we means normally if our code runs successfully we return 0, and if there is an error from the program, if it indicates that error exit from the program, the value 1 is commonly used. Okay, remember this as an error code. A very good question. Okay, the value 1 is commonly used as an error code. Remember this. So let's go with the next question. A good question asked by someone. It is a good thing. So while doing questions, you learn lot many things. That's the good thing about the questions. Now question two. So we have seen now what your switch case. So as promised, so we will going to see ASCII. Okay, let me zoom it for you. Now we will see ASCII example. So as mentioned yesterday, what is ASCII for you? I think it is clear. Can anyone let me know what is ASCII now? Till that time, I will write a question here. Yes, anyone? Anyone? Unmute and speak. Okay. I have written my question, but no one answered till now. Why? Yes, anyone? What is ASCII? Yesterday I explained you what is ASCII. Okay, no one? Let me explain again, okay? So focus here, okay? So basically ASCII is what? For every character, your capital letter A to Z, your number 1 to 100, your small letter A to Z, then your symbols, there is some ASCII value. There is some ASCII value. By one number, it is represented. This is a ASCII value for encoding purpose. Yes, yesterday someone mentioned for encoding purposes it is used. For encoding purpose it is used. For decoding purpose it is used. In industry it is used for generally representing a number which machine understand properly. Okay. American Standard Code for information interchange. Yeah. So now let's begin. Let's see now here. Okay. Focus on this screen. So let me include my header file for you. Now let me write a main, and in main generally we return a 0. I hope now return 0, return 1, it is clear. A very good question was asked. Now for ASCII, let me take a character. I'm taking a character as a, I'm declaring a character, okay. Now I'm interested in taking input from user, okay. I like a code to make a user friendly input, taking from a user, input a character. After taking an input, write a proper statement, that is your enter a enter a character, enter a character. After that, semicolon, and I will be going to scan it. I am going to scan it. Let me scan it. Percent %c ampersand ch. Okay. So after this, a simple, I am writing a simple printf statement again to showcase your what? Display ASCII value of the character. Okay. So how can I display it? So I'm writing in front of you. Please, please keep your attention here now. What I'm writing. Okay. So ASCII value of percent %c, what you are given as input is percent %d backslash n, and here I will be writing ch ch. Yeah, I think it is clearly written ch. Yeah, I think yeah, the code is correct. So let me run it for you. Please give me any character which you want. Any character. Yes, anyone? Provide
And
in n. Okay, someone say n. So you can check its ASCII value of n is 78. So if you don't know what is the value of n, go on Google and search for the ASCII value of n. I will be also searching with you. Okay. So ASCII value of capital N. So this is for small n 110. What about capital N? A to Z. Okay. Let me check in this table. I will get in images. Okay. So for 78, you can see here n. Is it visible? You can see here.
yes,
You can see for the value 78, the ASCII value is n. Is it clear? Yes.
yes,
Yes. So simple thing what we are doing, we are presenting that character, whatever you're writing a symbol. For example, let me pass here at the rate. You can see for at the rate 64. At the rate 64. Where is at the rate? You can see here 64 clearly. A simple code can help you to get the knowledge of all things. Okay. If I want to check for a small a, it will be 97. Yes, 97. Where is 97? Okay, in this table there is not 97. But for small a, there is a 97. Okay. If you want to check for number, if you want to check, you can go with 0. For number 0, the ASCII value is 48. Where is 48? You can see for ASCII, for number 0, it is 48. Now it is clear. Where is my screen? Yeah. Now ASCII point is clear. Please let me know
Yes.
through comment why or n other students. Oh, very simple. Have you done code with me now? Have you written code with me? Have you run on your PC? Have you run it? Okay, okay. Lot many students. So a very simple and basic example. Okay. Remember this. ASCII value is a different value. It is given to all whatever character you have in your whatever character you know, including your symbols, all having some ASCII value. Okay. No need to remember any ASCII value. It is not required. But you should know how to get an ASCII value. That was the concept behind this question. Can I move further with next question? Yes, anyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So the next question we will be going to see again a good question, an interview as considering your interview perspective as well as your exams, it may be asked. So in lecture 6, question 3. Question question 3. Sorry, following the same format or I have written. Okay, now it's clear. So this is again a good question. Lot many times this question is asked. There are lot many different way to solve this question. And let me write question for you now. That question is write a C program to determine if a character if a character is a vowel, sorry, consonant. Consonant spelling, is it correct? Consonant or a, or nothing or neither, means not anything. So yeah, this is the question. But before dealing with this question, you should know about what you should know about. Anyone let me know what is a vowel, what is a consonant? Yes,
A
what is,
E I O U. Is
AI.
vowel.
yeah, these are your vowels. Absolutely correct. A E I O U, and same in capital letters A I O. And consonant, uh,
All
All other.
all others means excluding this part, all others are consonant. Okay, remember in this way. Others excluding vowel. A good thing. This, if you know this thing, then you are going to tackle this question easily. And here again the concept of your ASCII is going to use. Okay, now how you see here. Okay, let's see. So yeah, let me begin with my code now. First thing, include stdio dot, right. You can also do it side by side if you have some any other logic, apply it. I will be using my logic, what I thought I will be writing. Okay, so this is the main part. So same thing is what I need to take in character as an input, writing a comment to make a code proper, input a character. In that I am writing a printf that enter a character. So remember this point. This question will be going to ask you lot many times. Okay, lot many times. Ampersand ch. So this was the simple part. Everyone we know that. Now writing with our code, that is check, check, and output. We need to give the output whether whether the sorry whether the character is a vowel is a vowel is a vowel consonant or neither. Is a vowel consonant or neither. Same thing. Writing a comment improves the readability of your code. Okay, that's why I'm writing a comment. Yeah. So I will begin with my code here. Just pay your attention. Okay. So here I'm writing if. In if. Now please focus here. Please focus here. These conditions are very important condition. If your character, that is your ch, is greater than equal to a, is greater than equal to a, is greater than equal to a, and your character should be less than equal to what? Z. This is the condition to traverse between A to Z small letters. This is the condition, first condition. Is it clear? This is first condition from traversing from A to Z small letters. Clear? Yes
Yes.
or no? Okay. And here I'm going to use or. The reason is why I'm using or. Anyone can let me know why I'm using or? Why not and? I'm writing same thing, but I'm changing only to it as capital. Anyone let me know the reason of writing it capital? Oh, sorry, using or. What is the reason of using or here? Yes, yes, speak. Simple question I'm asking, not any big deal. Why I'm using or here? Anyone? If you understand this condition, other else part is very simple. Yes, why I'm using or here for that condition? Can anyone explain? Yes, Sarvesh, Utkarsh, Sakshi, Pranjali, Nishant, Anjali. What is the reason? User can also print small or capital alphabet. Yes, that's the reason. That's the big reason. Okay, means I don't know if user only entering small letters. It can you can enter a capital letter as well. That's why I need to handle the both the cases. I need to handle the both the cases. Okay, and in that I can write if ch equal to a. Then again I'm using or ch equal to e. Then next, what is next? Ch equal to I. Ch equal to a e I o, and then your ch equal to u. Up to this, clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. But I have done only with this what your small letter. Now same thing I need to follow for what? Which letter? Same thing again I need to follow same
Capital.
for a
Capital.
capital letters. Okay. So let me take it downwards so you can see the screen. A E I O U. Okay. So I think I have written it properly. The condition is written. Now the next part is to write in curly braces about my. So these are basically what your. I need to print here. What is this? Your
vowel.
vowels. Percent C is a vowel. Backslash n and your ch semicolon. And in else part, what I will be I am writing here. Else part. What will be I am printing? Percent C is a
Consonant.
consonant. And your full stop backslash n. Then here again ch. See, if you understand the question, what the exact question is telling, you can answer it properly. So I can also add here else, and in else that I will going to write printf invalid 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 input not a not a letter means there are only 26 letters as we know, but someone enter any number or anything else, so we can write in that way. Okay, this is not an error. Okay, this is not an error. Someone will be thinking that, oh, this is an error, I will write return 1. But listen me carefully, this is not an error, this is an invalid input. Okay, error means you are getting some error after dividing by 0, you get an error. Okay, so yeah, I think I have done with my code. Let me zoom out it. Hope it is clearly visible to all, and let me run it. So yeah, let me pass a character. S is a consonant, good. A is a vowel, good. W is a consonant. E, small e, vowel. Working fine? Is my code working fine?
Yes.
And what about your code? Is your code working fine? Yes. What about you? Have the question, means this question is clear to all? Hmm? Hmm. So how many questions we cover up to now?
Three.
All three questions are clear. Easy to understand, easy to learn.
Yes.
Okay. So we will be moving with the next question now. Again, a simple question, tricky question, easy to understand. Okay. So just wait. I'm taking my breakfast also side by side. Okay. What about you all? Have you taken your breakfast or not? Taken or not? Hmm? Yes or no? Yes, speak.
Yes.
Okay, good.
No.
No, so you can take a side by side. Have some things with you. No worries. Take something with you while doing. Have some breakfast. Okay. It will be a good thing. Feeling you good. Feeling you keep you with the energy. Proper movement is going to be done. Okay. You don't feel lazy. Okay. If you are doing or eating something side by side, eat healthy food. Okay. So this is a question. Lot many times this question you will be going to see. You are going to tackle this question. Same question, no any changes. Same question, same question. Okay. For anyone can read this question for me. Anyone?
Write a C program to determine the type of triangle based on its three sides.
Yeah. Thank you. So before tackling this question, we should know about the type of triangle. Okay. What are the type of triangles? So we should know what are the type of triangles. Anyone can let me know the type of triangle?
Equilateral,
Three types:
isosceles,
equilateral,
scalar,
isosceles, and scalar.
Yeah, very good. Means you are the persons who are very really good in mathematics. If you are good in mathematics, such questions will be getting to you. Isosceles, no? Isosceles. Spelling. Let's check the spelling. Okay, if it is wrong, you correct from your side. Isosceles, I think, na? Scalus. Is it correct now? Let it be. No
yes.
worries of spelling. Isosceles and then scaling. Scaling triangle. I have just written this question. I have not written its type. I have only question with me. Okay, so no worries. Only this thing you need to remember and the condition for equilateral triangle. So anyone know the condition of equilateral triangle? What is the condition of equilateral triangle?
All three
Three
sides are
sides are
equal.
equal.
Very good. So we can write in this way. So I'm writing in proper way. If side 1 equal to side 2, and that mean all that's the same thing. It means side 2 equal to what? Side 3. Same thing. If side 1 equal to side 2, then side 2 equal to side 3 means all three sides are equal. This is a simple condition you should know. For isosceles,
Two side
Any
equals.
two sides are equal.
very good. So same thing I am again writing. So here what we can write, side 1 equal to side 2, or side 2 equal to, I am writing here aura. I am writing here or get your. Remember this logical, and here I am writing and means all should be true, or means anyone will work. Okay, only one condition will be satisfying. Side 3, and I am let me write again that side 1. Any of this might be true. That's why. And for scale and triangle,
All
what is
three sides are different.
means no condition. You can write this in else part. Okay. So let me give you 3 minutes or 4 minutes. You take your time and do a code for. I have given all things to you. I have given condition as well. Just you have to write a code for it in a proper condition using if else statement. Okay. Take its screenshot. I will be moving to your meet session, meet screen. So take a screenshot and code it in within 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. A very simple code. Yeah. Service provided the code. I think very good service. Others. Hmm. Take 2 minutes more. Okay. Other students. Yeah, Sarvesh. From which department you are, Sarvesh?
IT.
Okay, very good. You are doing really well. Okay. Okay, Pranjali also provided code by Pranjali, code by Sarvesh. Now who at exact 11 I will be copying this your code and I will be pasting there. Okay. So yeah, till 11 a.m. you have time. Means only 1 minute you have. Anyone want interested to provide the code? Provide. I'll be writing your name again. I will be writing your name there. So what about Sarvesh, Akshay? Have you answered the question in the comment? There are some interview question provided for you in the videos. Have you answered? If not answer, please answer. Okay. I will be also going to check it on Saturday. On Saturday, I will be taking a quick review on the YouTube channel as well. Okay. I will be checking who those students have provided or not. Provide in proper manner. Okay, if there is if they ask for code, provide code with a sample input output. So I means it will be easy to check for me also. And if there is any theory, provide a proper information in your own words. Okay, is it clear to all? Is it clear? Provide in comment section itself so I can check easily. And provide your name. If your account has some other name, please provide your name like Sarvesh, Akshay, Anjali, Sakshi. Okay. Okay, it's 11:1. So I have got only two answers. So let me print. Let me copy it. Code by Sarvesh. Okay, Anjali has done. Okay. Code by Sarvesh Kulkarni. Let me paste it. So this is the code which the Sarvesh has provided. Let me run it. So it is asking for enter the side of triangle. So let me enter the side of triangle. That is 4, 5, 6. What is this? Scale and triangle. Good. Then let me write 4, 4, 6. Isosceles. Very good. Now, sorry. Let me run it first. 7, 7, 7. Yes, it is a equilateral. Yes, Sarvesh. A very good code. You have provided a correct code. Okay. Let me comment it. What about others? Is it clear to you what Sarvesh has provided? Is it clear? Pranjali's code. Code by Pranjali Gaikwad. This is the code, quite well written. Sorry. Let me save it and run it. Enter value ABC. Okay, 789. Scale and triangle. Oh, why is giving a scale and triangle? Any mistake? What is the mistake? Equilateral triangle equal to C. Okay, it's giving correct answer. Okay, scale and triangle. Okay, okay, no worries. So let me write now 778 isosceles triangle, and our I think my different code is working in background. Let me stop it. Now it's working fine. Now let me write 7 7 7 equilateral triangle. Yeah, Pranjali, your code is also working fine. No worries. Let me comment it. Anjali done. Okay, Anjali, no issues. Ishan, Nishant has provided. Let me copy it. Code by Nishant Deshmukh. So this is the code provided by Nishant. Let me run it. So let me write 78, 95, 45 scale in. Yes, you have written scalar. No worries. But write it scale in. Okay. Output is correct. Then 78, 98, 78 isosceles. Okay. Then 45, 45, 45. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Yeah. Working fine. Nishant's code also. Utkarsh. Utkarsh code, and this is the last code I will be copying. Okay. Code by Utkarsh Patil. Working fine. So yeah, yeah, it's correct. It means you understand. Okay. What about others? Others, have you understand the concept? Okay, Mayur, you have provided. Okay, but this will be last. Now no one need to paste. Okay. Concept is clear? Yeah, good, good. Let me write Mayur's code too. Mayur Kale. Let me save it and run it. Correct, correct. Sorry, just the question number 4. 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's working fine. Correct, Mayur. Let me comment all code. Yeah, thanks to all. Provided a really well result. And hope this concept is clear to all. Okay, so we can continue with next question now. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you enjoying the session? Let me know.
Yes.
Yes. So let's move with question number 5. Question number 5. फॉर्मेट फॉलो करो. फॉर्मेट फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. Dot C. So what is your question? Yeah, this is a quite means very good. Here lot many students get in trouble. That is precedence of operators. Yes, there are questions in interview on this as well. I have brought or I have searched for this question for you. This question is as well as asked in your companies. Write a C program to evaluate the expression, and the expression is in front of you. A plus B star C minus D and divide by E. So basically this is the expression given. On the basis of this expression you need to print a result. Okay, this should be the result format. Consider this is as an expression. Okay, so yeah, let me write code for you for this. Simple code, no any big deal, but writing it in proper format, that is a big deal. Okay, into main, I'm writing in speed. Okay, just check the code. If anywhere error occurs, you please check it. We will modify it again. Int A, B, C, D, E. Slowly, your coding speed will be also going to increase like mine, and it will be more better than mine. Okay, your will be more better than mine. Enter values for A, B, C, D, E. If you are providing a proper input function, input statement, then the code looks quite good. In your percent D, percent D, percent D, percent D, percent D, and here I will be writing your ampersand A, ampersand B, ampersand C, ampersand D, ampersand E. Yeah, hope it is clear. Now I will be evaluating the expression for you, and I will be storing it in a result variable. Don't need to declare result again if I signed. Already we have declared above. Let me write there itself result. Okay, result, and the expression is this expression. This is the expression. Okay, and simply now I will be doing how to put the result. Printf result, percent %d backslash n result. Yeah. So this is a simple code in front of you. Let me run it. Let me pass some value for it. 5. Okay, before passing the value, let me copy this. Let me come here. Let me share it here in front of you. And here are some value 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please provide me the answer of it. What will be the answer? Be fast. Yes, Sarvesh has provided. Anyone else? Anyone else? 4.3 FK. According to you, answer is definitely correct. I think I don't know what is the answer. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here I will be getting 5. Anyone let me know the result? That's why I've taken this question. According to your answer is correct, but why am I getting this result 5? Anyone know this concept? According to you, the answer is correct. That what you are providing, that is 4.3 or 4 point, whatever it is. But you don't, you know why I'm getting answer 5? Yes, anyone? Nishant, speak. So listen
Float.
clearly. Yeah, float. I have not taken a float. I have been using an int. So whatever result I will be getting, the result I will be getting in the int. So basically students get stuck here itself. Okay. The expression you get this type of expression in your exams, but the above it is mentioned int, and we don't see the int part. We see only that okay, we get a 4.3, and option there is option 4.3. We mark that option, but the answer is 5 because the concept of stealing value, floor values come here. Okay. So remember this an important point. So answer will be your 5. So is this question clear? Yeah, percentage not taken. Very good, very good. Now is this question clear? Basic understanding of your board mass. Yeah, that day we cover, yeah, board mass. Okay, very good. So yeah, moving with the further question. Last two questions I will be taking now. And this question is a quite simple question, but interesting question. Okay, means majorly it is asked, and you should remember it. Okay, so let me write it for you. Means basically in the most cases interview start with this question only. A very simple question, not any big deal in it. See the question. What is that question? The question is quite big question, but very simple answer. Write a C program. Write a C program to declare two integer variables. See in question it is itself mentioned two integer variables. Assign values. Okay, to them and then swap their values using a third variable. I hope you might tackle this question if you are learning a coding. This is a beginner question itself, and this is a famous, mostly in the most cases, interview start with this question itself. Okay, so let me now answer this question. Okay, so keep your attention here. Don't do anything. Just see the code. Writing my basic part of the code. Return 0. So now let's see. So according to question, I need to take a two number. I'm taking it, and a third variable added as well, using a third variable. So I'm taking it as a temp. Temp means my temporary variable. Okay, remember in that way. So I will be going to take input values. So for that I will be using printf first, following the proper way. Enter two integer, enter two integers. After that, scanf %d %d, then ampersand num1, then your ampersand num2. Swap values using a, so you need to swap a value using your temporary. What is your temporary variable? Simple logic, not any big deal. Let's focus here now. Everyone focus here. So we have two numbers and there is a temp as well. So to swap a value, there is a simple logic. What? Take your temp, take your temp variable and store your number one there. First step. Take your temp variable and store your number one there. After doing this, in your number one, store your num2. Means in your temp there is the value of num1 now, and in your num1 there is a value of num2. And the next step is in your num2 save the value of temp. So what happened now? So the value of num2 allocated to num1, and the value of what was the value of for what value of your num2 is allocated to from temp. So basically we given a num1 to a temp. So your num2 become a temp, means the value of num1 is followed by now num2. A simple thing. Again repeating, listen properly. So here temp containing the value of num1. So temp is having value of num1. And in the next step, what we have done, the whatever value of num1 is assigned to a num2. Again repeating, whatever is the value of your num2, whatever the value of your num1 is assigned to a num2. Again we have swapped this, that num2 becomes a temp. Is the logic clear? Is it clear? Anyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So if it is not clear again, so let me run and display you in front of you the output, so it will be now clear to you. So let's me print it. So in front of you I'm printing the num1 and num2 again. Let's check the output. Okay, suppose I run it and I pass the two number as 8 and 6, so you get answer 6 added swap values. So you can see the logic. Our third variable is helping us. Third variable is storing the num1, then num1 is storing the num2, then again num2 is storing the temp value of that is the num1. Very simple and easy logic. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So basically today we covered 6 questions. Okay. There are Also, let me see. Okay, we covered the sixth question. There are two questions with me. Let me check, read the question for the two questions, what I have written in my notebook. The one question is, write a C program that takes a radius as input, calculate the area of circle. This is one question. And the second question is, write the C program to calculate the average of two integers and display the result with two decimal places. So these two questions will be, I will be sending to my technical team. They will be adding on your YouTube description video of this video, okay, of this video. These two questions will be there. So from my side, I have done with six questions. Now two questions will be from my side to your homework. Okay, is it good? You will be solving it? Yes or no? But you need to answer in comment section. Write a proper code, copy your proper code, and at the last display your result. So I can understand what you have written exactly. Okay, is it clear? So let me know how was the today's session in one word. Your thoughts, your expression, your feedback. Yes, I can do this question. Okay, Pranjali, go ahead. No worry. Okay, great. It was a great. Thank you so much. So as I promised to you all students, today is the 15th November, and we have done with your which unit? Second unit. Okay, I have done with your second unit, and I hope I have got lot many examples. Is your second unit clear to you? I'm not talking about, means for you it is a second unit, but for me it is a very important concept as a basic of a C. So I'm focusing on your interviews perspective as well as your MCQ exams for a company. Okay, for means according to you for your unit exams. Sorry, for your which exam? NSEM exam. Is it clear to you all? Yes, yes. Okay, good. So let me once open the syllabus. Okay, where is the syllabus? Yeah. So next unit is your loop array and pointer. So from tomorrow we will be adding, starting with a loop array and pointer. Okay. So mentally be prepared. We will be starting with a loop array and pointer. And let me know when is your end sem going to start. Any date, any tentative date for it? Yes, anyone? What is the date? 21. Oh, lot many times. 21, 12, 23. Before that, any exam? Before that, any exam? From 1st December. CI3. When it is? CI3. Date. So according to that, I can proceed. Okay. So according to that, I will going to take question. 1 December. Okay, okay. CI3 will be timetable not given. Okay, you are giving tentative date as 1 December. No issue. So I will try. We will. I mean, I'm going to try till 30 December. We will complete all the things, including your structure and what function as well. Okay. I will try my best. If some part left, we will continue. Okay. But you need to join the meet properly. Okay, at on time. Is it clear? If you are not able to join, please go through recording. How many of you have gone through the recording and provided the timestamp? I see to the word video that Akshay has provided. What about other videos? What about other videos? Will be providing? Will you be providing me? It will be a small help from your side, a great help from your side, a big help from your side. Okay, if you're providing, because other students will come and see the video. If you have any doubt, they will directly move to that point. Okay, it will be good. Also, our uh, director, principal sirs, they do also watch the videos. So if they want to go to the particular point, if you want to check how what thing I was explaining, so they can move to that point. Okay. So yeah, you can provide me. Okay, it will be a good help because I am in different sessions. So as my team were asking that I will be providing, but I tell to them you don't provide, students will be going to provide. Okay, from that I will came to know that you are watching or not the videos. That's the reason. Okay, you can watch at the speed of 1.5 to don't no issues. Okay, so yeah, without taking more time, we can stop. I will stop here. So have a good day and bye bye. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye. Welcome, Utkarsh. Yeah, bye bye. Welcome, Anjali.